Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please join me. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook. In this video you will see how to crochet unusual flowers made of basic stitches. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. Make chain of 6 for the foundation ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain and round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. It is going to be a round of single crochet stitches. For this, make a chain and make 12 single crochet into the ring, and I will remove the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm done 12 single crochet. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make slip stitch. My round 1 is ready. Let's crochet round 2. For round 2, make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. I did my chains instead of first double crochet, then chain of 3 for the chain space, yarn over the hook, and make double crochet into the stitch of the previous row. Continue chain of 3 and double crochet into the next stitch. Continue chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet into the next stitch. Keep working this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch, 1, 2, 3. Make a slip stitch. My round 2 is ready. And let's crochet a round of petals. For this, make a chain, work into the chain space, make 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Continue, work into the next chain space, make 2 single crochet, 1, 2. Well done. Then chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. Pull up the working loop, insert the hook into the top of the single crochet, take the working loop, pull it through, then make a chain, work into the ring, make slip stitches with chain. I will count only slip stitches. Make 7 slip stitches, 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7. Here what I have at this point, this is the 1/2, then chain of 3 for the chain space, 1, 2, 3, and work with slip stitches as I did before. Make 7 slip stitches with chain. 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet. Here what I have, and make slip stitch. Make single crochet into the chain space. Here what I have at this point. I continue working on my round of petals. Work into the next chain space. Make single crochet. Then chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Continue. Then turn the work like this. Insert the hook into the 3 chain space. Make a slip stitch. Then chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 3 stitches that I did into the next chain space. Insert the hook into the first stitch of these 3. There is the first one from this petal or chain space. This is the next one from this chain space. Make slip stitch. Make a chain and turn the work. Let's stop and look at my chain spaces. Then I'm going to work with trim into these chain spaces. So I will work with slip stitches and chain. Continue. I did 1 chain, and let's make the trim for first chain space. Make 13 slip stitches with chain. 1, let's count, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain, 8 and chain, 9 and chain, 10 and chain, 11 and chain, 12 and chain, 13. This is the last one. Then make a chain. Insert the hook into the slip stitch. Make a slip stitch, 1 more. Pull it. Make a chain and work into the chain space. Make 13 slip stitches with chain 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain, 8 and chain, 9 and chain, 10 and chain, 11 and chain. So I'm moving my stitches a little bit. 12 chain, 13 and chain. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet and make slip stitch. Insert the hook into the same chain space, make single crochet. So my petal is ready. I continue working on the next petal. I am done 2 single crochet into this chain space, then make the third one into the same chain space. So I will join this part of the next petal into this single crochet. I will start the next petal and you should continue working by yourself. Make single crochet, then the second one, then chain of 9 for the chain space, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. As I did before, pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert the hook into the single crochet, take the working loop, pull it through. Then make a chain, and as I did before, make 7 slip stitches with chain, 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7, continue, then chain of 3, and I continue working on this side. Make 7 slip stitches, 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7, then chain, insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet, make slip stitch, then make single crochet into the chain space. Continue, then make single crochet into the next chain space, and as I did before, chain of 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Well done. Turn the work, insert the hook into the 3 chain space, make slip stitch, chain of 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Let's stop and look. There is chain space that I worked into. I did 3 single crochet into this chain space and insert the hook, So I insert the hook into this stitch. There is the top. Insert the hook into this top. Make a slip stitch from the back side. Then make a chain and turn the work. Then make slip stitch with chain into 9 chain space, as I did before, as I did here. So keep working in this way by yourself. Once I have done 5 petals, and now I show you how to finish the last one. After the last single crochet, insert the hook into the next single crochet, make a slip stitch, and I continue working on my current petal. Make chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn the work and make slip stitch into the chain space. Then you should finish this petal. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. I'm about to complete this round. Once I have done slip stitch and chain, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch, pull it, make a chain to secure the yarn. Then I will remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the flower. And I straighten up my petals. And let's look what I have done. So my project is ready. So in this video you have seen how to crochet these amazing flowers. It is very beautiful and delicate. You can use it like a decoration or a separate motif, or it could be part of big project such as Irish or guipure laces. Also you can crochet 2 or 3 and join them together to create a large piece of work. It could be perfect for blanket or tablecloths. For this project you just need to know how to work with basic stitches such as chains, single crochet, double crochet, slip stitches, and so on. Please write comment below this video what you will get with my video tutorials. All information about the tools, kind of tools, and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. For this kind of project you can use one color of yarn, leftovers or variegated yarn, and your favorite crochet hook. Thank you so much for crocheting with me and watching my video tutorials. And write comment below this video what you will get with me. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!